So because I can't fluke it, and therefore I can't beat it.
Yeah, you can't fluke it, therefore it's automatically the most dog shit level in existence.
It's fun, but it's fucking impossible.
I might beat Moment, but the problem is too hard.
Literally, bro, like the last 25 is so hard. I like 30 deaths there from 49.
I tried learning Moment and I just could not get past the ship.
It's fun, but it's like the ship's like hard. And the waves are even harder.
I'm not a fan of this shit. It's a bit junky for me.
Literally. What do I play moment like good? I died to the impossible route. Yo, pink, I'm shitting myself. Oh no, it's a G502. I also shows I don't have noise suppression on. So I was gonna call it Nova yesterday, maybe with that off. I don't know why. I'll just turn it back on right now.
I basically just beat shitty Black Wizard.
I
Unless I die to the last part, which is just...
Which is just definitely gonna happen now.
Well, watch, it's gonna happen. $5 is gonna happen.
Die.
Nope, I didn't die.
Fail.
I didn't die. I fluked it from like 42. Okay.
You motherfucker.
Okay, that was like